Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the home screen style in this device or how to view the applications also. If now in this device you can see swipe up, you can see applications, you can see here. Okay, so let me show you how to change this home style. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option home and lock screen, tap on home settings, then here you can see the option home screen style, tap on this one. Now you can see two home screen styles, you can see here. Okay, so now the home screen style is app tray. If you want to do this one, tap on open. Now you go to the home screen. If you swipe up, you can see there is no applications. Just swipe right this one. All the applications you can see here. So if you want again change, again go to settings. Sorry. Then tap on this one. Tap on. You can select any one from here. So simply in this way you can change the home screen style in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.